A healthy heart, your gateway to adventure. Imagine a life where every step you take is filled with energy and excitement. Did you know that a strong heart can unlock a world of possibilities? It's not just about living longer, but living better with more zest and enthusiasm. It's true. When you improve your cardiovascular endurance, you're not just boosting your physical health, you're opening doors to new adventures and experiences. Think of the joy of conquering a challenging hike, or the thrill of a spontaneous bike ride. Imagine effortlessly hiking scenic trails, biking through picturesque landscapes, and feeling the wind in your hair as you explore new terrains. Or simply keeping up with your kids at the park, sharing laughter, and creating memories without feeling exhausted. All of this and more is within reach when you prioritize your heart health. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big, lasting results. In this easy-to-follow guide, we'll dive deep into the world of cardiovascular endurance. We'll break down the science behind it and show you how to make it work for you. We'll explore simple yet effective strategies that you can easily incorporate into your daily life, no matter your fitness level. From beginner tips to advanced techniques, there's something for everyone. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete and experience the transformative power of a healthy, happy heart. Feel the rush of endorphins and the satisfaction of achieving your fitness goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey towards a stronger, more resilient you. Together, we'll embark on a path to better health, more adventures, and a life filled with vitality and joy. Power up your life. Understanding cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance is a key component of overall fitness and well-being. Cardiovascular endurance, often called cardio for short, is your body's ability to sustain physical activity for extended periods. It involves activities that keep your heart rate elevated for a prolonged time. It's a measure of how efficiently your heart, lungs, and muscles work together to deliver oxygen to your body during exercise. This efficiency is crucial for maintaining stamina and energy levels. When you have good cardiovascular endurance, everyday activities become easier. Tasks that once seemed daunting become manageable and even enjoyable. You can climb stairs without getting winded, making your daily routine smoother and more pleasant. Walk briskly without feeling fatigued, allowing you to stay active and engaged throughout the day. And enjoy active games with your kids without feeling drained. This means more quality time and fun with your loved ones. It's about having more energy and vitality to live life to the fullest. With improved cardiovascular endurance, you can embrace a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into practical tips to enhance your cardiovascular endurance and elevate your overall well-being. From exercise routines to lifestyle changes, we've got you covered. Get ready to power up your life. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to boost your cardiovascular health and enjoy a more energetic life. Out of breath? Recognizing the signs of low stamina. Do you find yourself feeling short of breath after climbing a flight of stairs? Or maybe you feel exhausted after a short walk. These could be signs of low cardiovascular endurance. Low stamina can manifest in various ways, such as rapid heartbeat even with minimal exertion, feeling excessively tired after moderate physical activity, difficulty catching your breath during or after exercise, muscle soreness, and fatigue after short bursts of activity. If you experience these symptoms, don't worry. There are simple and effective ways to improve your endurance and regain control of your energy levels. Interval training, your secret weapon for a stronger heart. One of the most effective ways to boost your cardiovascular endurance is interval training. This method involves alternating between short bursts of high-intensity exercise and periods of lower-intensity recovery. For example, you could try sprinting for 30 seconds, followed by 1 minute of walking, cycling uphill at a high intensity for 2 minutes, followed by 3 minutes of easy pedaling, swimming laps at a fast pace for 1 minute, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Interval training is an excellent way to challenge your heart and lungs, leading to significant improvements in your cardiovascular fitness. Fueling the engine nutrition tips for peak performance. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs proper nutrition to power through workouts and recover effectively. The food you consume acts as the fuel that drives your performance, endurance, and overall well-being. Focus on incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet to ensure you are getting a balanced intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide sustained energy for endurance activities. These carbs are broken down slowly, giving you a steady supply of energy throughout your workout. Lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu aid in muscle repair and growth. Protein is crucial for rebuilding muscle fibers that are broken down during intense exercise. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil support heart health and provide long-lasting energy. These fats are also important for hormone production and brain function. And don't forget fruits and vegetables, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and recovery. These nutrients help to reduce inflammation and protect your body from oxidative stress. Hydration is also key. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated and maintain peak performance. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your endurance performance. Remember, what you eat today fuels your success tomorrow. Hydration, the unsung hero of endurance. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal performance during exercise. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, making it harder for your heart to pump blood and deliver oxygen to your muscles. So, make it a habit to drink water consistently throughout the day, not just during workouts. Carry a water bottle with you and refill it regularly. Opt for water or low-sugar sports drinks during exercise, especially in hot weather. Remember, proper hydration is essential for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and supporting overall physical function. The power of rest. Prioritizing recovery for optimal results. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to building cardiovascular endurance. Your body needs time to repair muscle tissue, replenish energy stores, and adapt to the demands of your workouts. Make sure to get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Take rest days. Incorporate 1 to 2 rest days into your weekly workout routine. Listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, take a break or opt for a lighter activity. By prioritizing rest and recovery, you'll allow your body to bounce back stronger and perform at its best. Listen to your body. Recognizing and avoiding overtraining. While consistency is key, it's equally important to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Pushing yourself too hard without adequate rest can lead to injuries, burnout, and setbacks in your fitness journey. Be mindful of these signs of overtraining: increased resting heart rate, persistent muscle soreness and fatigue, loss of motivation and enjoyment in exercise, and increased susceptibility to illness. If you experience any of these symptoms, take a step back, prioritize rest, and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. The long game: consistency and gradual progression for lasting change. Building cardiovascular endurance is a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. Don't expect overnight results. Instead, focus on making sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Start gradually by incorporating short walks or bike rides into your daily routine, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, and gradually increasing the duration and intensity of your workouts over time. Remember, consistency is key. Even small, consistent efforts will yield significant results over time. Celebrate your victories. Tracking progress and staying motivated. Tracking your progress and celebrating your achievements is a fantastic way to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Consider these methods. Keep a workout journal to track your workouts, noting the distance, duration, and intensity. Use a fitness tracker to monitor your heart rate, steps taken, and calories burned. Set realistic goals by starting with achievable targets and gradually increasing the challenge. And find a workout buddy to partner up with for added accountability and support. By recognizing how far you've come, you'll fuel your motivation to keep pushing forward. A healthier, happier you, reaping the rewards of enhanced endurance. Improved cardiovascular endurance isn't just about physical fitness. It's about enhancing your overall well-being. Experience the transformative benefits of increased energy levels, improved mood due to regular exercise releasing endorphins, better sleep, and reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Embrace the journey towards a healthier, happier you, and unlock a world of possibilities through the power of cardiovascular endurance.